welcome to our channel. Today we will show you different beautiful decoration arts. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas. We post new videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel. Easy fall leaf craft ideas to bring the colors of autumn into your home. It's time to start gearing up for some fun fall activities. Admiring the fall foliage is certainly at the top of our list, along with a plethora of fall crafts that double as festive home decor. Autumn blankets the world with the most gorgeous colors, so why wouldn't you want to bring a little of that beauty into your home? That's where our favorite fall leaf crafts come in. These DIY ideas will bring natural allure and pops of warm color to your porch, door, or anywhere inside your home. If you live in a state where leaves change color and gather in piles as the days get cooler, you'll have plenty of supplies right in your backyard. The perfect Halloween crafts are right at your fingertips. No leaves? No problem. Head to your local craft store or park to gather a few for the projects you have in mind. Whether you're hoping to add a seasonal garland to your mantle, incorporate an autumnal centerpiece for your Thanksgiving table settings, or simply find a fun way to spend a little extra time with your kids, here you'll discover more than 24 ways to put leaves to good use. Maybe you'll even want to choose 1 or 2 pumpkin crafts to DIY too, once you're in crafting mode. You can never have too much fall decor, after all. Bring a bold new piece of decor to the table. These cork leaves work wonderfully as coasters in place settings, and they'll protect your table from heat or condensation. 'Tis the season to be thankful. Create a beautiful, leafy piece of embroidery to hang in the bedroom, living room, or even on your front door. Which ones did you like? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.